Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna show you how to do this very dramatic but not too dramatic makeup look. Here I used a little less product and I really hope that you like it. I love how the look turned out, so let's get started. To begin this makeup look, I'm gonna apply a concealer all over the lid and a little bit in the lower lash line. I'm gonna apply also a little tiny bit of this concealer in the brow bone just to conceal any dark circles or little veins in my eyes. So I'm gonna apply using my clean finger, and the concealer that I'm using is Vanilla by NARS. I love this one. Right on top to stick the shadows in the place, I'm gonna use my Eyeshadow Base, and this one is my favorite. This is the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. So now I'm going to start off applying the shadows. Today I'm going to use Melt Cosmetics because I love the pigmentation, and the first eyeshadow that I'm going to use is the shade Assimilate. It's a cool brown. I'm going to use this shade with a fluffy brush, so I'm going to apply a little at a time starting from my crease. I'm going to pat the product in my crease and blend in circular motions to create a more diffused edge, and using the same brush I'm going to apply this eyeshadow in my eyelid as well. Next, I'm going to use the shade Root, which is a more dark brown eyeshadow, and this is just to create a more depth in this makeup look. So I'm going to apply it using the same brush. I'm going to focus this shade in the outer corner of my eyes and a little bit in the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to line my eyes using my favorite gel liner at the moment, and this is by Inglot. I love how pigmented it is and also because it lasts longer. So I'm going to apply this gel liner in the lower lash line, in the waterline, and also a little bit in the tear duct area to create this more pointy cat eyeliner that I love. And to blend the lower lash line, I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow called Dark Matter, also by Melt Cosmetics. These eyeshadows are so pigmented and I have been doing my skin first, so I have to be really careful. Now let's move on to my face. I already applied my moisturizer, my foundation, and now I'm gonna just contour my face with you guys. So today I'm gonna use this Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna mix these two shades to contour my face. To highlight, I'm gonna use the lightest shade from the palette. I love this color absolutely because it fits my skin tone so well. And for blush, I'm gonna use the blush palette by Sigma, and I'm gonna apply this pink shade because I also think that fits my skin tone so well. And this will give more color and life to this look. And now to finish up this makeup look, I'm gonna apply this gorgeous liquid lipstick, also by Melt Cosmetics, and this is the shade Ladylike, one of my favorites. As this lipstick is so pigmented, I'm gonna remove the excess with the tip of my fingers. I'm gonna just dab a little bit to remove it, and it will create a perfect shade for my lips. And now I'm gonna just add a little bit of contour. I'm gonna use the shade Modest, which is a more nude lip color. All the eye brushes that I used in this makeup look you can find in my brush set with Sigma Beauty, which is Melissa Samways' favorite brush set. I'm gonna leave the links here down below for you guys in the description box. And you can use my code MelissaSB in sigmabeauty.com for 10% off. You can use my code for my set and also for every product in sigmabeauty.com. And that's it for this look, my lovies. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also like this video if you did. And I see you in the next tutorials. Bye!